In this video, I'll show you how to use management reports in QuickBooks Online. Once you are on your QuickBooks account, head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. At the bottom, hover your mouse on Reports. On the right-hand side, simply head over to the bottom and click on the third option, which is Management Reports. Now that will take you to the Management Reports section, and in order for you to create one, head over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, click on the plus sign for Management Report. That will take you to this section wherein you can create your own management report. So from here, let's set this as sales this year. At the bottom, you can add a company name, let's say Grunkle Ross. At the bottom, you can add a report period. Let's say that the end date will be December 31 in 2026. You can set the prepared on as this day. So let's say this was prepared on the 30th of June. Prepared by, you can add your name. And on the disclaimer, you can set this as for management review only, or we can only set this as for employees. At the top, you can select a template, either default, standard, Madison, or Atlas, and even set your own logo. On the table of contents, this is where you can change the title as well as the preview. On the preliminary pages, you can also change that, the reports and charts, and the endnotes. And once you're done, head over to the top and the right corner. You can change this to either this financial year, this year to last month, this financial year, this year, depending on your management report. So let's set it as this year. Now, once you have that, the next step is to head over to your reports and charts. From here, you need to select a report. So let's say from here, since we want to get the sales, we will head over to sales. And in here, you can choose either sale by a customer type, a product or service, let's say within a product or a service. At the bottom, you can also change the endnotes. And once you have your report, what you can also do is add another one. From here, let's also set the sales by a customer. We can also add another one since this is a sales for the 2026. We can set by sale by a class summary. And once you're done, head over to the bottom in the right corner, click on Save and Close. Once you do that, it will automatically be reflected within your management reports. And once you have your new management report, what you can do is preview it. So on the right-hand side, if you click on Preview, you'll be able to see all of the reports that you have created. So as you can see, we have set up a template. And if you scroll down, you will see the profit and loss, the AR aging detail, and the sales by the customer summary, depending on the report that you have created. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.